In this session, I'll take a look at working with photographs of people and how we can improve them working with color slice. And here I have an image of a model, and I'm just going to do a 12 color smart slice on this image, and we'll let that process. Once again, this can take like a minute to process or so because it's a very complex process, giving us all of these different color splits, and it's a lot of process in Corel Draw to get us there. So I'll go ahead and pause here, and I'll resume after the process is finished, usually about a minute or so. Now once that's finished, I'll have my smart slices here based on the color that's in the image. I can minimize this. Here on the right I have my original. Here on the left I have my sliced image. Now I can zoom in here and take a look at things. Let's say I want to brighten this up a bit. I'll go to the saturation, effects, adjust, tone curve. But let's say I just want to have an effect on the lighter areas of the saturation. I'll come in here and pull down this way. And you can see that I can bring the slight adjustment, not a lot, but I can bring some more depth and color into that image compared to the original. I'll select OK. Now I'm going to guess that there's quite a bit of orange in here, so I'll go to the orange layer. I'll select that, go to this X in the center, left click, hold down, duplicate that with a right click, and take a look, and you can see that there's a lot of orange in there. I'll delete that. I'll select my orange again, and I can go to Effects, Adjust, Tone Curve again, and I can come in and bring out some more color that way, but just very slight adjustments. We don't want to do anything heavy. Or if I wanted to bring this back, I could. As you can see there, working with the orange. Very slight adjustment, not a lot. Because if I do a lot, then it really starts to change the color and have an impact on things. Select OK. Now we can see that this image looks now much richer than the original image, working with those adjustments and our color slices from the Color Slice plugin for Corel Draw. If I wanted to adjust the black, Effects, Adjust, Tone Curve, compared to the original, and see I can pull that out and really start to get, with a slight adjustment, some more color and depth in the image compared to the original. Select OK, and we can look at them side by side and see the improvement in the color of the image. So it's very easy to go through and make really nice adjustments and color adjustments, even on things like photographs of humans, cars, you name it. You can make really nice adjustments working with the color slices and your tone curve. Go ahead and wrap here, and we'll continue in our next session.